Hi, this is Seaton from Wild Rose. Here's a vehicle we just finished refurbishing for Foothill. They're coming to pick it up. They dropped off a tired Crown Victoria, done a lot of work. Paint was all messed up, needed a full rebuild. We went through it. New reman engine, new suspension, new brakes. It's the sort of paint job we do on our vehicles. Even put all the stickers and everything on for them, went through the equipment. This is the way a lot of departments are handling the shortage of vehicles and keeping their costs under control. We can do one of these for $25,500, value for money. 6 weeks turnaround for your own vehicles, or we can supply core vehicles. Contact us, wildrose911.com. We'd be happy to send you a quote and make the magic happen for you. Be safe, my friends.